1943 was quite an exceptional year in many ways for me, because I've explained, Zhitlowsky, by the way, had his second Last Supper at our table. And I remember having a conversation with Dr. Zhitlowsky, because I spoke Yiddish quite well, and he was quite amazed and pleased that a young kid, not quite 10 years of age, could carry on a Yiddish conversation. So he was he looked like a grandfather to me. He was very nice, very kind, and very grandfatherly. And he was very pleased that he could speak with a very young person in Yiddish, in mitn midbar, as he said, if you know what that means, in the middle of the desert, as he called Calgary, which was a good way to put it, actually. But unfortunately, the next night he had a heart attack and died. That was a lot of consternation about that in Calgary. His body was actually taken back to New York by train, accompanied by a man in that picture. And there was, a great deal of upset about that.